Okay, today I have here Hitachi G23MRU angle grinder. It's a very good angle grinder, and of course we will disassemble it. As you can see from the beginning, this assy is all moving, so the ball bearing will be broken. Of course, I think that the gears will be down. Okay. I will remove the flange. Maybe. Okay. I will not waste my time now with it. So the wheel cover. It's a flathead screw here. Okay, nothing comes out easy with Hitachi. Okay, now I will check the carbon brushes. It's a plastic cover. Okay. I will remove the brush. I will take it out. Okay. Of course, some dirt on it, something. It's about a half left, so I will replace them maybe. Of course, if it will be water here. Okay. Okay, you can see the stop line for the carbon brush. It's here, but normally it stops almost here. So it's a half carbon. Normal carbon brush is about that length, so it's a half left. But this tool works in heavy duty conditions, so I will check carbon brushes if I will repair it, of course, because it's really need new ball bearing. I will check other ball bearings. Okay. Okay, I'm removing the cover. Normally, if you know that electric part is working for the tool, you cannot take this out because it's a cord switch inside. But I want to show you how to test it with multimeter, and of course how to remove it. Okay, as I thought, it's never going out easy with Hitachi, with almost all Hitachi tools. Okay. Okay. So resistor, of course, full of dirt. It's a switch. It's a cord. Okay, 2 wires going to the field. I will disconnect them. Okay, now the easy way check the cord and the switch. Of course, you need multimeter. Okay, it must beep if it's resistant. You can see this is damaged, so you need to replace it. Okay, yep, when it's good. Okay, I will check another one. Yep, it's good. Of course, check the cord. Yep, it's good working, but I will change this one for safety reasons. So I will cut it and throw it away. So, okay, multimeter going out, wires in place. Okay. Okay, I am just taking the box and will put some parts in it because they're missing here. Okay, of course we can remove this handle or we can leave it, it's no different. Okay. Now is the gear housing. You can screw it with, so it's a 4 millimeters Allen key. Okay, I will try to do that with my drill. It's going very easy. It must be tightened with Loctite. Okay, so this one all is wobbling and the gears is almost fine. Okay. Screw here. I will try to remove this holding ring. My pliers. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will take it out later on a hydraulic press. Okay, now I will separate the gear housing and motor housing. They both are made from aluminum. This one was tightened good. It's 4 screws holding the gear housing with motor housing together. Okay. Let's need some strength to unscrew it. Okay, and now you will go out, if I'm lucky. Okay, I will hit with the hammer. Here. Of course, not very hard, not broke aluminum. Okay, now with a screwdriver, and it's out. Of course, ball bearing left inside the housing. Okay, it's a dust seal. This is full of dust here. You can see the ball bearing inside. This is a field. Okay. The easy way to test the field is to check resistance. So, okay, I will do that. Okay. Yep, it shows resistance. It's 1.3, 1.1. Okay. Now I'll check it with another one. It must be the same resistance on both sides. So it's 1.3, 1.1, and yeah. So it's the same. So the field is good. Okay, so it's going to the box. Okay. Of course, the ceiling need to be replaced. I will write it down. Okay. It's up 2 screws holding the armature together with the gear housing. Okay, I will take my Vera. I love it. It's a very good tool. Okay, it's going out hardly. Okay, as you can see, it's really different. The customer using this one for cutting the walls, concrete, so of course it will be full of dirt. It's going very hard. Yeah, it was tightened with Loctite. Normally it's tightened in manufacturing. Okay, it's another screw here with 4mm head, so I will unscrew it. Now it's going easy. Until now. Yeah, when you are repairing Hitachi, almost every time you need a lot more power comparing with other power tools. Okay, just slightly hit it, it's out. You can see it's one sealing, second sealing, the ball bearing. It sounds not good. Of course, as I know that this tool is used in heavy duty, really heavy duty, I will change all ball bearings for him. Of course, the grease. Of course, I need to change this ball bearing. I will try to take it out. But no, okay, now I don't have my tool for that. Okay, but it need to be pressed out. It's a 2 screws and the holding plate for the ball bearing. Of course, I will change it if the customer will agree to repair it, and I will make the video. So this one is almost good tool, just need 3 ball bearings to be replaced. It can be for this housing belongs with that for the screws, if they are damaged or not. Of course, new grease and the new carbon brushes.